Introducing the Blaupunkt new range of dynamic amplifiers. Catered to every audiophile, Blaupunkt got you covered for all your audio needs. Today we will be unboxing the Velocity Power MPD 460A Class AB amplifier with DSP. In the box you will receive the user manual, power cables, USB cable, receiver, remote control, and finally, your MPD 460A amplifier. This compact in size amplifier only weighs 850 grams, in the size of 170 mm width, 120 mm height and 43 mm depth. This palm-size amplifier will definitely fit your vehicle. Don't be fooled by its size. The MPD 460A can still offer 140 watts max output power. It is built with Blaupunkt's PC tuner for you to fine-tune your audio to perfection. It also supports music playback with its built-in Bluetooth and USB functions that allow you to play and control your music via the steering wheel mount remote control. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and follow us for more videos.